Most people in their 20s don't think much about retirement. After all, it feels decades away. You're likely just starting your career, paying off student loans, and maybe saving for travel or your first car. But here's the truth. Your 20s are the most powerful time to start saving for retirement. Why? Because time is your greatest financial weapon. Let's explore how starting early can make your future self financially free and how you can begin today. 1. Understand why starting early matters. Let's start with a quick example. If you save just $200 a month starting at age 25 and earn an average return of 8%, you'll have around $740,000 by age 65. But if you wait until age 35 to start saving that same amount, you'll only have around $340,000. That's a difference of $400,000 just because you started 10 years earlier. That's the power of compound interest, the magic of your money earning money over time. The earlier you start, the less you need to save later. 2. Set clear financial goals. Before saving, ask yourself, what does retirement look like for me? Do you want to retire early, travel the world, or simply enjoy a peaceful life without money worries? Setting a clear goal helps you figure out how much to save. It's not about perfection, it's about direction. Write down your goals and visualize your ideal retirement lifestyle. Once you have that, you can reverse engineer how much to save monthly. 3. Start with small, consistent contributions. You don't need to save a fortune overnight. What matters is starting now, even if it's small. If you can save $50 or $100 a month, that's a great start. As your income grows, increase your savings rate. The key is consistency. Think of saving for retirement as paying your future self first. Automate your savings so that every month, money is transferred automatically to your retirement or investment account before you even see it. Out of sight, out of mind, and it grows quietly in the background. 4. Take advantage of employer retirement plans. If you're employed and your company offers a retirement plan like a 401k, take it. Many employers offer a matching contribution, meaning they add free money to your account. For example, if your employer matches 50% of your contributions up to 6% of your salary, that's an instant 50% return. Don't leave free money on the table. Contribute at least enough to get the full match. If you're self-employed, explore IRA options, individual retirement accounts. Both traditional and Roth IRAs offer great tax benefits. 5. Learn the difference between Roth and traditional accounts. A traditional IRA or 401k allows you to invest pre-tax money. You'll pay taxes later when you withdraw. A Roth IRA or Roth 401k lets you invest after-tax money, but your withdrawals and retirement are completely tax-free. If you're in your 20s, a Roth account often makes sense because your income and tax rate is usually lower now than it will be later. That means your money grows tax-free for decades. 6. Invest, don't just save. One common mistake young people make is keeping their retirement money in savings accounts. While saving is safe, it won't grow fast enough to beat inflation. To build real wealth, you need to invest. Focus on low-cost index funds or ETFs that track the stock market. They're diversified, easy to manage, and have historically provided solid long-term returns. If you're not sure where to start, choose a target date retirement fund. It automatically adjusts your investments based on your age and risk level. 7. Avoid lifestyle inflation. As your income grows, it's tempting to spend more, a better phone, bigger car, or more nights out. This is called lifestyle inflation, and it's one of the biggest enemies of long-term wealth. Here's a rule. Every time you get a raise, increase your retirement contributions before upgrading your lifestyle. Even adding 1% or 2% more each year can dramatically boost your retirement savings without hurting your budget. 8. Build an emergency fund. Before going all in on investing, make sure you have a financial safety net. An emergency fund of 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses protects you from unexpected events, job loss, medical bills, or urgent repairs without touching your retirement savings. It gives you peace of mind and prevents you from dipping into your future money. 9. Keep learning about money. Financial education doesn't stop. Learn about budgeting, investing, and taxes. Watch videos, read books, and follow reliable finance channels like Wiki Dollar. The more you know, the better your financial decisions will be. 10. Stay patient and trust the process. Finally, remember, retirement saving is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be ups and downs in the market, but staying consistent is what builds wealth. Your 20s give you the rare gift of time. Use it wisely